Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm going to be covering the MLA aspect of this particular lab you're working on this week. And as you see, I have a document. It's an MLA guideline that's specific to us, College of the Redwoods. You will have a link to this document in the lab instructions. Comment about MLA, first of all, it stands for Modern Language Association. There's two main formatting principles that are used for college papers. One is MLA and the other is APA. Depending upon the course you're taking here at College of the Redwoods or elsewhere, one instructor might require one format and another instructor might require a different format. So for us, we will be sticking to the MLA guidelines, so please be sure as you're formatting your papers for the lab this week that you do pick the MLA style. And so with this document open, and put me on pause if you don't have this open yet. And again, the link to it is in the lab instructions for the week. And I just want to go over a few of these formatting features that you need to be aware of. The first one to be aware of is that you should have your last name and a page number in this section of your document. This is known as the header section of a Word document. So we will have to learn how to work within the header section of a document, and that will be covered in a subsequent video. It is not, however, I can say it is not the same as the main body of your document. It's in a special area, actually in the margins area of your document. And again, what goes in there is your last name and a page number. That should be right justified, just like you see here. It should be a ½ inch from the top or the edge of the full page as it's printed out. You need to be aware of one other thing with respect to this, and that is this page number here should not be typed in manually by you. This page number should be created from an insert page number feature that is also within the Microsoft Word software. So again, in a subsequent video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do that. And the reason for that is so that when you move on to the second page of your paper and the third page of your paper, this page number will automatically increment as it goes to the second and third pages. If you were to manually just type this page number in, it would say that same page number on all subsequent pages, which is incorrect, of course. The next thing that I'd like to bring to your attention is this area of the document. This is what I like to call the ID block. And as you can see here, it should contain your first and last name. It should contain my last name, Romero. It should contain a line for the course name, and it should contain a line of the date of your paper. And you'll notice the interesting formatting for this date with a day, month, and year formatting. And that needs to happen in the very upper left-hand corner of your document, and this is in the main body of your document. This is not in the header section of your document. So that's where you basically will start off when you start your documents, by creating this ID block. The next thing to bring to your attention is that your title for your paper should be centered within the document. So you need to use a center alignment feature within Microsoft Word to make sure your title is appropriately centered. And then the next thing to bring to your attention is this double spacing. So your entire document, including the ID block, needs to have double line spacing throughout. You have to take care when doing your double line spacing that you don't have any extra paragraph breaks also included within the document. Finally, we've got our indentation of the beginning of every paragraph within your document. So each paragraph should start with a 1/2 inch indentation, which is easily achieved, again, to be covered in a subsequent video tutorial. And I think I said lastly previously, but this is really the last one to cover, and that is that your entire document should use 1-inch margins all the way around. So you'll want to go into the margins feature within Word and make sure that that is properly set as well. Yes, there is a box down here talking about in-text citations, but that is a completely different subject from this formatting of your paper. And in-text citations will be covered along with a works cited page in another video tutorial. But I just wanted to go over the overview of what an MLA paper looks like and what are the main formatting features in that paper. And that's what I've just covered here. So I hope that helps, and I look forward to your submissions. That concludes this video.